In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clone Stamp in GIMP. The Clone tool is perfect for removing small blemishes, fixing dust spots, or seamlessly covering distractions by copying pixels from one part of your image to another. I'll walk you through the essentials so you can get clean, natural-looking results without frustration. First, open your image. In GIMP, head to the File menu, choose Open, navigate to the photo you want to edit, and click Open again. Give the image a moment to load. If you're working on a large file, it can help to zoom in to the area you plan to retouch so you can see what you're doing more clearly. Next, select the Clone tool. You'll find it in the toolbox on the left, represented by a small rubber stamp icon. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, just press the C key to activate it. Look just below the toolbox for the Tool Options panel. Here, you can pick a brush, change its size, adjust hardness, and set opacity. A soft, round brush is often best for skin or gradual textures, while a slightly harder brush can help along crisp edges. Now set your clone source. Hold down the Control key and click on a clean area you want to copy from. When you release Control, you've defined the source. This is where the tool will sample pixels. Choose a source that closely matches the color, brightness, and texture of the spot you want to fix. Sampling close to your target area helps maintain consistency. If needed, zoom in so you can place that sample point precisely. With your source set, move your cursor to the area you want to fix. Left-click and drag to paint. As you paint, GIMP copies pixels from the source and lays them onto your target. You'll usually see a small crosshair marking the source position as you work. Use short, gentle strokes and adjust your brush size as you move between small spots and broader patches. If you start to see repeated patterns or mismatched tones, pause and set a new source with Control-click. Lowering the brush opacity can help blend edges and build up coverage gradually. Along edges or near lines, align your strokes with the direction of the texture to keep things natural. If you make a mistake, press Ctrl+Z to undo and try again. And if the clone seems to drift or not follow as expected, check the Aligned option in Tool Options to match your preferred behavior. That's it. Open, select, sample, and paint. With a bit of patience and frequent resampling, you'll get smooth, invisible fixes using the Clone tool in GIMP.